Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's a bold, dramatic, smoky kind of an eyeliner with a very understated nude lip. I hope you all enjoy this video. It's a little bit different from the usual Indian party makeup looks that I've been doing. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content here, and share it with your friends and family as well. And let's just get started. So today I'm using this Glamgals Studio Photogenic HD primer, and I'm just going to rub it all over my face. My face is already prepped and moisturized, and after that I'm going to go ahead and apply this orange color corrector. You can use an orange matte lipstick as well if you want. I'm just going to do that, and I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm using this foundation after quite a while. I really do enjoy this foundation a lot. It's affordable, budget friendly, pocket friendly, and does the job well. I wanted to go for like a matte full coverage look, so I did go over like one more layer of this foundation, and I'm just going to apply it with a beauty blender. Next I'm taking Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. The name is just so big, but yeah, I'm just going to use that in the shade C10, and I'm using this NYX Total Drop foundation in Shell Beige. So it's a lighter color foundation. I really enjoy the finish of this foundation on the skin, so I'm just going to apply that on like as a highlighter or a brightener, like cream highlighter on my face. And next I'm taking NYX Illuminating stick in Topaz tan. I absolutely love this contouring bronzing product, and you might have seen me use it in many videos of mine. Today I'm going for like a more sharp contour look. That is why like I have brought in the contour so much. Going to have to blend it, but yeah, that's that. So I'm just now starting to first blend in my highlight, and then I will move on to blending my contour. I'm using this Real Techniques contour brush for that. I really love this brush to for contour and as well as for foundation also. The shape helps to kind of blend the foundation also really well, like under the eye and all those places, like around the mouth. So this is a nice brush. Here I'm using it to kind of blend my contour. Once that is done, I'm using my RCMA no color powder to kind of set my concealer and my contour as well. Like I'm going to clean up my contour with this powder only. So I'm going to take it under my contour and create a sharp line that goes up until my chin. So if I have like over applied my contour in places that I didn't want it, it is going to take care of that. And whatever is left on the brush, on the beauty blender, I'm just going to pat the rest of my face and move on with this Palladio matte bronzer. I'm just going to first contour my nose, and once that is done, very lightly I'm going to dust off the bake under my eye, because I could feel it getting dry. I did not want to make my under eyes any more dry. And once that is done, I'm going back to my bronzing. I'm taking the Palladio bronzer and just going to bronze up my forehead and my cheeks, my chin, under my jaw. So yeah, that's that. Once that is done, I'm going to take away the bake from under my contour as well on the cheeks, and I'm using this Cheeky Glow blush from Maybelline, an oldie but a goodie. Once that is done, I'm applying Balm Luminizer again after a long time, and I'm using a flat foundation brush for that. Do try that, it actually works really well. And for the nose highlight, I'm just using my finger. Let's quickly move on to the eye makeup. I'm using this light shade from the Jaclyn Hills palette as my transition shade, basically just covering up my crease with it. There's not a lot of eye makeup per se in this video. And then I'm taking the black flat eyeshadow on this flat shader brush, and I'm just going to kind of make a smudgy looking eyeliner. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's like a smoked out eyeliner. So if you want, you can actually go ahead and apply like a wing eyeliner also using a gel eyeliner or a pencil liner, whatever, in this first step. I just wanted to have like a guideline, so I just used that. And then I'm taking another flat shader brush. This is like a smaller detail brush, not exactly a flat shader brush. So both the brushes are similar. So I've picked up this brown color, and I'm just blowing out the edges of the black eyeshadow that I just applied. And on the same brush that I picked up the brown eyeshadow, I'm taking the same brown eyeshadow only, and I'm just matching it up with my other eyes. I'm just drawing this crease color, as you say, and this is a small blending brush. I'm just blending it, giving it like a diffused look as I proceed on to the inner part of my crease. Next, I'm taking the NYX gel eyeliner and I'm just going to apply this, trying to keep the liner thin on the inner part, and as I go like to my outer corner, just going to thicken it up and apply. And I already have a guideline with the eyeshadow, so if you struggle with winged eyeliner, this is again a good way to get a base with the eyeshadow and then go ahead with the liner on top of it. Next, I'm just taking the brown eyeshadow one more time and I'm smoking out my lower lash line with that, and then I'm applying the black liner, same NYX black gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to smoke that out as well with my brush that I picked up the black shade with. Next, I'm taking this lighter color and just going to brighten up the brow bow highlight and also the inner corner highlight. I'm using the same brush for my Cupid's bow highlight as well, and I'm just taking like a nudish lip liner, and then I'm going to take this one is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Shanghai, and I really like this color. It's a nice nude lipstick. I hope you all like this look. I'm going to apply some mascara on my top and bottom lash line after this, and falsies are optional. If you want, you can. If you don't want, you can totally skip those. But falsies with these dramatic looks, they take the look to another level. So I do hope you will use the falsies as well if you want to, that is, of course. This is the final look. I hope you all like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.